Alfords Point is truly one of Sydney's best kept secrets. And this is a beautiful, impressive family home in a premium location. I'm Milton Kaloudis from Sanders, Noon and Riverwood. And my colleague and local specialist Simon Hunter Hall and I are proud to present 3 Lavender Place, Alfords Point.
This grand and spacious, master-built family home sits proudly on almost 700 square metres and offers expansive, uninterrupted district views over Georges River. On the inside, you have an enviable list of inclusions, spanning over 2 stunning levels with 6 generous bedrooms and multiple large open-plan living areas.
Rarely do such impressive opportunities come to market. If you love the feel of the bush, but need the closeness of the CBD, then 3 Lavender Place, Alfords Point is the home for you. Simon and I invite you to join us at our next open for inspection.